Hi, so I ordered my water picked it up today. So I'm going to see how this works. I'm very conscious about my teeth. I'm sure you all can tell just from the smile on my face every day. I love to smile. So I have to take care of these teeth so they can take me a long way. So I've already taken it out the box, haven't really looked at it fully. It's still sealed. Should have brought me a pair of scissors. I didn't realize. Thought it was like more like a zip. Okay, let's just pause for a minute. Okay, so I'm back. I already cut the top off. Gonna see what's included in here. It is electric, of course. Okay. And yep. Let's just take the tank off. Tank comes off. They tell you to remove this before use. Ensure tip is fully engaged in the handle before use. Fill the reservoir with lukewarm water and push firmly into place. Start on the lowest pressure setting. Put the tip in the mouth before turning it on. Okay. I'm not going to demonstrate that part today, maybe another day. Oh, isn't this nice? So apparently you can store each of the pieces. It's kind of has the marking on what you can, where you're going to store your brush heads, etc. I'll just press this over here. It has settings from 1 to 10. The off-on switch, the settings for the pressure. And these are the heads. These are the heads. There's a toothbrush in there. Oh yeah. Look. Oh yeah. So, let's see. Fill the reservoir with warm water and place it firmly on the base. Insert the tip until it clicks into place. Turn the pressure on to high. Point the tip into the sink. Turn the power on and the water switches on until the water flows. Turn the switches off. Then, to water floss, turn the power on, start at low pressure, turn the button on, turn the water on. Oh, I see. Water on is on this button right here to turn the water on. Power on is this switch over here. This is this switch for power on. Okay, we got that clarified. All right, let's see. Increase the pressure to your liking. Close lips enough to prevent splashing while still allowing the water to flow from your mouth into the sink. Aim the water at a 90-degree angle to your gum line. Follow the gum line and pause briefly between teeth. And it looks like they have it also in Spanish on the back. They have the instructions in Spanish on the back. Okay, so I had to do a little bit of housekeeping to get everything in place on back on the table, make it a little more neat. So, also located the instruction manual or water flosser model WP-100 series. I'm sure this is more about, yada yada, all the warnings. And it has a diagram of the water pick and what all of the heads are used for. So the orthodontic tip brushes, and you use it for general use. Then you have B, which is the pick pocket tip. It's periodontal pockets. And then tip number C is the plaque seeker tip. Implants, crowns, bridges, retainers, and general use. And then you have D, which is the toothbrush tip for general use, and we know about brushing our teeth. I mean, I do. So now, and then E is the classic jet tip for general use. And then we have the plaque cleaner for fresher breath tip. So those are in here, and I will be unpacking those to put into the case that came with. Let's see. It'll make a little bit of noise here, but we'll be okay. So let's see, what are they telling me about this? Caution, use pick pocket tip only in lowest pressure setting. See instructions in the book. Okay, let me see, where do I place this? My guess is it's generally just facing whatever opposite directions, each one. So let's see, I'll put this over here, and I will put this one let's see, maybe I'm gonna take this off of here and just leave it in the bottom as a reminder, and place this, put this back in place. Come on. Put that back in place, slide that under there as my reminder. And then I'm going to keep the brush tips together and put the, that looks like it's too big for that, but I'll put it in there. And then we have two more, which these spaces in between do not have an indentation, so I'll just have to place those on top. I imagine one of those should be on the handle for the water pick whenever you're going to use it. And there's an off-on switch on there. I suspect this is the release when you put the tip on. Yeah. So there you have it. Going to have Nice clean gums and teeth. And it has all the instructions on how to use it that's included, which is a good thing. And it's in, looks like it's in Spanish and English as well. So, yeah, even know how to use it for your braces if you want. They got the braces right here, instructions. And they have the toothbrush thingy. Yep, so I'll let you all know how this works. That'll be another review for the actual working. This is just basically the unboxing of this item. And yeah, uh, like, subscribe. Let me know if you have one of these Waterpik water flossers. And this is the ultra one. You get a 3-year warranty on it. It's pretty good. So let me know if you have one of these and how you like it. And like and subscribe, share. And this video will be under health and beauty, of course. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up in the comment below the video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you as always. Later.